Just went to the mailbox to drop something off, and I can hear a thunderstorm in the distance. And the dogs were following me, and they just abandoned me. I feel so alone. I hear people talking in the distance, or if I did, I really hope that, like last time, there isn't someone like listening to me in the distance, because that would really freak me out and embarrass the crap out of me. This is just a random video, by the way, because I've never done any videos, so I figured, hey, let's do a random video of me walking to the mailbox, or actually walking back from the mailbox. It is hot outside right now. I'm sweating so bad. It feels like it's like 100 degrees, but I guarantee, go online, it probably says it's like 80 something. Yeah, right. There are the dogs down there. They left me. Today is a beautiful day, as you can tell. But it's about to storm because I could hear thunder in the distance. Although sometimes when I hear thunder, it doesn't storm. Because the weather is weird. Mother Nature is always PMSing, and she really needs to chill out. Really needs to chill out. I hate thunderstorms. Sincerely do. Hello, dogs who abandoned me. Not that I care. Well, later.